In this video, I will guide you in making lecture videos using any camera-equipped mobile device you may own. This video encompasses 3 types of mobile recording devices: laptop computers, cell phones, and tablets. We will focus on mobile phones and tablets first and get to laptop computers in the second half of this video. Location. Find a quiet location with ample light to minimize distractions. Make sure that you can be heard and seen properly. Attach a headset equipped with a microphone for clear audio. Most mobile devices have a set in the original packaging. If you don't have a headset, the microphone on your mobile device will do. Open windows or switch on lights as needed, but remember not to point your camera at a window when recording. Once you have found your ideal space, stabilize your device. There are various ways to mount your device. You could purchase a stand at any tech store. Alternatively, you could lodge your device against a book or cup. One could even make your own holder with household items such as a used toilet roll. Camera settings, resolution, and file sizes. Open your device's camera application and set your camera to lower resolutions to reduce the size your video will be. The video on screen demonstrates how to do this on an Android device. Now that the technical aspects of recording are out of the way, wipe your lens and sensors so that you don't look blurry and smoky. Establish your framing by moving your device closer or further away from yourself. If you speak with lots of hand movement, it's best to station your device horizontally. You will be able to fit your hand gestures in, but this is also the most natural way to record video, as it matches what our eyes would usually see. Look at the lens of your device to maintain eye contact with viewers where possible. You are now ready to record great mobile videos. After you have completed your recording, transfer your media by attaching your USB charging cable to your computer. Unlock your device and a USB symbol should appear on the top of the screen. Drag your finger down on the top of the screen to reveal the settings and notifications. Select the USB icon and then select Transfer Media and Pictures. Your device will then show as a USB drive would in your Explorer. Locate, copy and paste your video file to edit using Shotcut. Please note that all videos must have a transcript for learners that do not have access to high-speed internet. Please watch this video for instructions on this process. When using a laptop, find a location and framing as you would with the smaller mobile devices. Open your internet browser, log into your Vula account and select lecture videos. Select the record icon on the top right of the screen to use OpenCast Studio. Please watch this video if you struggle to operate OpenCast Studio. Thank you for watching this video guide. Please contact the Digital Media Unit for assistance of any kind at dmu.silt@uct.ac.za.